Hi guys, I'm Abby J. I'm so excited to join you here at the Ingles table. Today, thanks to Ingles, we have everything you need to make my Blackhawk beef and mac casserole. So let's get started. I've already sauteed some red bell peppers. You need one diced red bell pepper. You need one onion diced. And what we're gonna do, you gotta get this softened. We're gonna put this in a large bowl. You need to preheat your oven to 375. And we have already cooked the macaroni. And what I do is I don't cook it all the way. If it says 13 minutes, you need to cook it about 9 minutes because this is going to bake one more time. Then we take lean ground beef. This is 1 pound. We'll mix this all together. And this makes so much that this is a great recipe, especially for working moms and people that don't have a lot of time. I'm gonna put this in 2 casserole dishes. You wanna spray the dish. I've already done that. And we're gonna also add 1 can of diced tomatoes. Put that right there. I wanna get this all incorporated. We've got our seasonings, which is some garlic, about a tablespoon, and then about a teaspoon of salt and pepper. We'll get this all incorporated. The last thing we have here is some tomato paste. This will bring it all together. It's about 3 tablespoons. After you get these ingredients incorporated, what you wanna do is take your macaroni and beef mixture and put half of it in your dish, and then we'll put some cheese. I use Italian cheese and with some cheddar. I'm gonna get this really in there. Then you'll do this all over again until you get the top. And as I said, this really saves a lot of time. And I also pair it with a nice arugula salad with some Ingles freshly baked bread. So we'll go ahead and put this on there. We finish this off with cheese. We bake it in the oven for 375 for about 35 minutes. And here you have it. I've made a full recipe for my Blackhawk family. It's in a 9x13 dish, and there you have it. Thanks so much for joining me here at the Ingles table. Explore the site and check out some of my recipes, tips, and tricks. Y'all have a good one, and I'll see you next time.